Diretso na mainit?
Ma'am?
Cinnamon.
Uy, ang anak ko yung na kulot.
Sa dulangan, abi ang damo.
Wala ko tayo magpagtuman.
Ayan na yung magdikit dito. Ayan magdikit. Ay, oo, Sir Dan.
Ah, church na.
Oo, kaibahan nila dito sa package ng babakay. Ang karakter ng may dal ato siya. Si ano, bulingan mo tayo mo papa.
Ah, may lang. Labhan lang nato.
Ay, naging di Batman. Kasi may tibay. Ay, kaya wala kami kalagot.
Lakasan mo.
Our reading is powerful. E enhances creativity and innovation. A activates vocabulary. D develop imagination. I improves memory and intellect. And nurtures the mind and soul with delight. G gathers wisdom and understanding. Reading.
Again. Again.
Reading. Kapag binuksan mo ang isang pahina, tila isang pinto ang iyong madadala. Papunta sa mundo ng hiwaga at saya. Sa bawat salita, natuto ka. May kwento ng mga kabayanihan at pag-ibig. Every time I climb a tree, David Macor. Every time I climb a tree, I scrape a leg or a knee. And every time I climb a tree, I find some ants or dodge a bee and get the ants all over me. And every time I climb a tree, where have you been? They say to me, but don't they know that I am free? Every time I climb a tree, I like it best to spot a nest that has an egg or maybe three, and then I skin the other leg. But every time I climb a tree, I see a lot of things to see. Swallows, rooftops, and TV. And all the fields in farms there be. Every time I climb a tree. Though climbing may be good for ants, it isn't hopefully good for pants. But still it's pretty good for me. Every time I climb a tree.
I go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
It's whatever you like.
I give you is deep voice said. I give you spring when the lilacs bloom. I give you autumn when the maple is is red. Summer, I give you all crown with sun. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. For I am yours, and you are. You cross the lines and tears waters. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. For I am yours. You are my spirit, lead me when my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters, and wherever you will call me. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings, the purple-headed mountains, the
Wala yan yun. Ba't parang ibaba? Yun rin, mga po naman.